The same great team and service that you've always known, Ace Hardware Home Services, serving Hickory in the Catawba Valley area since 1990.
Hello and welcome into the WHKY News for Thursday, December 26th. I'm Ralph Mangum and I do hope your Christmas was a wonderful one. The WHKY News is on over-the-air TV every weekday on Channel 14.2 and on the Compass, SkyBest, Vibrant, TDS, and Comporium cable systems. You can also find us online at WHKY.com and on our YouTube channel. In today's top stories, the Catawba County Sheriff's Office has reached a goal set during the current sheriff's first term. The sheriff himself visited our studios and spoke with WHKY's Rob Eastwood.
We are joined on WHKY News by Sheriff Don Brown, the Catawba County Sheriff. And first of all, thank you for coming in. It's always a pleasure to meet up with you and talk to you.
Good morning, Rob. It's a pleasure and honor to be here.
Well, I wanted to talk about a topic with you that I know it was a goal of yours when you became sheriff in 2018 to increase school resource officers in Catawba County, in the Catawba County system. Tell me how that has gone. I understand there's been improvement and you've reached a goal there. Absolutely.
When I came in, we had 10 school resource officers, and that was just the high schools and middle schools for Catawba County school system. And my goal was to get one in every elementary school. We have 15 elementary schools, and then we have what's called CREC. And so my goal was to get an officer in all those schools. And it has taken me literally 6 years to get there. But we did achieve that goal this year.
And you had one story that you told me about an officer on the first day of his new job as school resource officer actually had quite a situation come up, correct?
He did. It was his first day. He came from a local police department, came in first day on the job in the school, had never been a school resource officer, I don't think. And he came in the school. We had a staff member that had a cardiac event. She fell out and actually caused some other damage from the fall to her body. He then immediately took charge, giving instructions what needed to be done with the defibrillator, and and just took over the situation. And then until we could get medical staff there. And as I understand it, she's doing very well now. Other than her injuries that she sustained from the fall, she's doing very well. So kudos to him. And as he received Employee of the Month. We have Employee of the Month, and from his first day on the job.
First day on the job.
Yeah.
That's an interesting first day for sure.
It is.
He gets home and says, "Wait till you hear about my first day at work."
Yeah.
Well, Sheriff Don Brown, it's always a pleasure to talk to you. Thank you for the update, and we'll be talking to you again soon.
Thank you, Rob.
Don Brown, the Sheriff of Catawba County, joining us here on WHKY News.
Thank you, Rob, and thanks to Sheriff Brown for taking time out to chat with us today. A longer version of that conversation can be found on our YouTube channel. WHKY's Arianna Mack has information on an App State program for families of children who were impacted by Tropical Storm Helene.
Appalachian State University's Parent-to-Parent Family Support Network, or P2P FSN, a program of the Appalachian Institute for Health and Wellness, is taking action to connect families of children with special health care needs who were impacted by Hurricane Helene with resources to assist with their unique challenges. The program is collaborating with the Positive Childhood Alliance of North Carolina to conduct a short survey in English and Spanish. Those links can be found in this story on our website, WHKY.com. The survey focuses on identifying urgent requirements, including access to shelter, medical care, special education services, and mental health support. The data collected will enable P2P FSN to prioritize needs and deliver the most effective guidance to families in need, in addition to identifying pressing concerns. The P2P FSN seeks to understand the impact of prolonged disruptions to schooling, difficulties accessing health care, and the feelings of isolation often experienced by families who have children with special health care needs. P2P FSN encourages families affected by Hurricane Helene to participate in the survey. Their input will play a key role in shaping disaster efforts and strengthening support systems for families navigating navigating these challenging times. The first 200 families to complete the survey will be eligible for a $25 gift card and additional resource navigation. Parent-to-Parent Family Support Network, High Country provides free support, caring connections, information, and hope to families who have a premature baby, a child with a disability, an emotional or behavioral change, a mental illness, a chronic health condition, or to families who are grieving the death of a child. Much more information at our website, WHKY.com. I'm Arianna Mack.
Thank you, Arianna. In today's crime report, a Hickory man is charged with attempted murder. Arianna and I both have information on that case. In local sports, Jason Savage speaks with Cody Dalton about CVCC's esports program. In community focus, it's a hard knock life at Foothills Performing Arts as Annie opens next month. Sunny and cold today with a high in the upper 40s. It's not real clear if the sun will come out tomorrow, as we're expecting partly cloudy skies and a 55% chance of some afternoon rain. It'll be cold too, with highs in the low 40s. It will warm up some over the weekend with a high Saturday in the low 50s and then in the low 60s Sunday. However, rain is likely both days. Warmer temperatures should stay with us through Tuesday before cooling off in the latter part of the week. The latest weather forecast is posted at WHKY.com anytime you need it. I'm Ralph Mangum. You're watching the WHKY News.